Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Monday. I love Mondays. I don't know if you do, but I'm very productive. I think because I've had a break over the weekend.
Oh no, I've been dreading this. They come at the beginning of June and are a big problem for a month. Japanese beetles. They want to eat my zinnias, my raspberry plants.
Oh, it turned out so pretty. I love this washed terracotta. This is Better Homes and Gardens from Walmart. It was $8.88. And see, it's an 8-inch pot, and this was maybe a 6-inch. And it was pretty root bound, but I got the roots separated and in good dirt, and I look forward to many more years with this beautiful plant.
What part of the bathroom do you dread cleaning the most? For me, it's the shower. It's just such a big old thing. But I got it done because Monday is Clean the Bathrooms Day. It's shiny and clean, it smells fresh, and I'm so happy it's done.
Hey, did you know that in addition to being a patio swing, this is a makeshift clothesline? It works so well when I just want to hang some things out to dry, but I don't want to go all the way over to my clothesline. Plus, it might be raining soon and I might need to get them out off the line and back in the house quickly. So this works great.
Thank you for watching. Would love to have you follow That Simple Life.